All right, in this video, we're going to talk about 9.5, Objective 1, where we complete the integer operation of addition for integers with unlike signs. Though it's an integer operation of addition, we're actually going to have subtraction involved here with this when we have unlike signs because these numbers work against one another since they are on opposite sides of the number line. Imagine that you're playing tug of war and you have a team pulling 18 to the right and a team pulling 11 to the left, and uh, what is going to result. So how we're going to find that is we're going to find the difference of the strength of the two teams, 18 minus 11. So minus 11, that's 7. And we're going to keep the sign of the stronger team. The flag in the middle or the knot in the middle of the rope when we play tug of war is going to move towards the team that's pulling stronger. So it's going to move 7 in the positive direction. Let's look at 13 and negative 4. So the positive team is pulling 13. The negative team is pulling 4. So 13 minus 4 is a difference of 9. And the positive team is pulling more than the negative team. So it's going to be a positive 9. Now we have more than one operation here. So let's look at 6 plus negative 8 plus 1. Let's add the things that are alike together first. 6 plus 1, and then we'll worry about the plus negative 8 here. So 7 plus a negative 8. So we have the positive team is pulling 7, the negative team is pulling 8. We're going to find the difference between 8 and 7 is 1, and we're going to keep the sign of the team that's pulling more. So the negative team was pulling more, so the whole thing is going to have a negative sign. That's going to be a negative 1. Let's look now at negative 4 plus 7 plus a negative 5. These negative values are like signs. Let's add them together, keep their sign, add the absolute value of 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 7. 9 and 7, negative 9 and 7 are unlike signs. Keep the sign of the bigger absolute value. The negative team is pulling more than the positive team. The difference between 9 and 7 is 2. 7 plus negative 3 plus negative 12 is 7 plus a negative 15. Find the difference between 7 and 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Keep the sign of the greater absolute value. Negative 15 had a greater absolute value, so it's a negative 8. Now let's look at 8 plus negative 5 plus negative 13 is 8 plus negative 18. The difference between 18 and 8 is 10. Negative 18 had the bigger absolute value. Keep its sign. That's negative 10. Again, this is the procedure when we have unlike signs. We already talked about when we have like signs, and we did some examples here, that you just add the absolute values and keep the signs. So only subtract when you have unlike signs. We do addition when we have like signs. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and complete the integer operation of subtraction. We'll talk about how it's related to this idea of adding opposite signs. So see you for the next video.